Hi, I'm Jenny with DTF Superstore. Our team at DTF Superstore is so committed to keeping your business running smoothly that we offer a 100% uptime guarantee. If you purchase a DTF printer from DTF Superstore and it goes out of service for maintenance or repairs, we will print your print-ready files and ship them to you while your printer is out of service. We'll only charge you for the material costs and shipping of the roll of DTF transfers to you. How does our 100% uptime guarantee work? You must purchase at least one DTF printer or DTF printing system from dtfsuperstore.com. Your DTF printer has scheduled downtime for maintenance or a repair issue confirmed by our tech support team. Your print-ready files can be output using our standard in-stock DTF Superstore ink, film, and adhesive. Production lead time of 3 to 5 business days, and you only pay for the material costs and shipping. Don't get left in limbo. Buy from the company that's committed to keeping your business moving forward. Buy your next printer from DTF Superstore.